Friends, some time back we had discussed about 14 days war and likelihood of things continuing, because those responsible for making the peace prevail or stop the fightings are selling weapons. It is a market-driven war. It's a profit-oriented activity. It is the traders making users fight so that more and more of their merchandise can be sold. Consequently, now for more than 20 days, in fact 23rd day, the war still goes on. And when will it stop? Maybe with the stocks of these weapons finishing, or the system coming to a grinding halt through world war. This is a reality which we all need to understand. People used to accuse one nation of corona, but if we go back into the reasons, the corona was created with the help of those who wanted to use the cheap labor, cheap land, cheap resources for making profits. And hence a smart nation, crook enough to deceive others to believe that is playing their game, but actually amassed wealth more than they could amass, more than those who were supporting could amass. This nation amassed more wealth, produced more weapons, produced more power, and is today a threat to the world. It's challenging all those who thought they are helping growth. Same way, two nations who are fighting, one is supported by one group, second is supported by a second group, but if you go into the composition of groups, it is neither the religion, it is nor the philosophy, it is mainly the market-driven mentality. The drive or the race for making more and more till the situation lasts by selling as many weapons as you can. Consequences, the civilians or the poor citizens are suffering. This is not just a war. If you look at the other states, look at the state of affairs in our own country, India. Sadhus are getting killed in UP, in Bihar, in Maharashtra, and many other places. Law and order machinery is getting misused at various places. People, the criminal minded, are using. Recently there was a case on a land distribution. A particular person killed another person in the open in front of the law enforcing agencies. What will be the consequences is secondary. Question is, money-mindedness, profit-mindedness through land, through weapon selling, through other items selling, is the one which is the undoing of the world today in the Kali Yuga period or the year 2020. Whether the world will last long enough or not is a question to be seen. There are many astrological and philosophical predictions which have been done, and consequences between 2020 and 2021 are there for all to see. But important point is, If this profit-mindedness, if this mentality to sell your weapons, make money, sell your people, make money, sell your goods, make money continues, worlds will continue to face wars, destructions, uneasiness, and fire. It is in this background we are requesting today that probably there is a need for a spiritual awakening in the world. Our studies have shown that those practicing meditation of any kind become cooler, less angry, less aggressive, less money-minded, less material-oriented, and much more humane, seeking joy, happiness, etc. There are various methods of meditation. Each one works, some less, some more. That's a different issue. But each method of meditation works. The reason we have found in our studies is it cools the ego and anger-based activity of the brain, and when brain starts cooling, the decision making becomes more balanced, understanding of the world affair becomes more balanced, and people become more joy and happiness loving. Therefore, we request all citizens of the world to please resort to spiritual awakening, do meditation, not religious. We are not talking of religion. We are not talking that you get religiously oriented and fight with each other on religious oriented. But what we are requesting is please meditate. Use the good effects of all forms of meditations known to mankind and can be practiced by you. If you do not know any form of meditation, then we recommend you go for the Sahaj Yoga meditation, which is available on sahajyoga.org, and internet is full of YouTube is full of various videos showing how to meditate, what are the benefits of meditation, medical benefits like health, cooling of the brain, even psychological benefits. We recently conducted a study and we found people have better control on anger, lust, jealousy, greed, etc., which are the actual drivers of the problems in the world. On that, with these words we request, world is suffering, citizens who are suffering do not know how to war, they only are fueled with the ideologies to fight with each other, but it is only when they directly suffer that they realize fighting is not a solution. Solution lies in a spiritual awakening, in understanding that everybody is born, needs a space to live and breathe, needs a space to live and grow, and allow that space, and world has enough place for all to live, but not for greed, not for materially hungry people. They are the ones who are causing problem. And a spiritual part of meditation, we are not talking about religion, please, meditation helps in making people balanced. If leader can be brought in line to do meditation, world will be a better place. If law enforcing agencies, the administrators can be brought to meditation, world will be a better place. If managers can be brought to meditation, they will be a better managers. Therefore, meditation helps in every possible way, and it will help reducing the tensions and probably stop the wars if we keep meditating. God bless all. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.